Hi, I'm Sam, General Manager for Lodgevision. Today I want to go through a basic tutorial on our signage system to help you get started with your new digital signage channel. First thing you'll need to do is get logged in. That'd be signage.lodgevision.com. There you'll enter the credentials that were emailed to you for your signage system. If you do get an Adobe Flash pop-up, just go ahead and allow that. We do need Flash for the system to work. Today I'll be using our testing account so you can see how this works. Alright, we'll get logged into the system and you will see that there are three tabs at the top. Your Creatives tab, your Playlist tab, and your Screens tab. Those will be the three main elements to putting together a new signage presentation. We'll start with Creatives because that's at the beginning. Compose is where you'll want to go to create your pages or your creative section. The add here is for adding videos, photo files, other files to the system. So we'll start with Compose. We'll just do a blank copy. Make sure to name your file so that it makes it easier to find later. Let's call this one First. And this is the first attempt. Alright, then we'll come up here to the top and we will create. Once we hit the create, it does take a moment for it to generate the page. That'll bring us our widgets menu. You'll notice here to the left of the screen there are a series of widgets we can use, and those can be brought here just by dragging to the canvas. This will open up our files here. I drag a picture. We'll grab that picture and say OK. Those can be resized or moved wherever you'd like them on the screen, whatever is convenient. You can also add a title to this one. Let's say we want to have fun with signage. Now you'll notice that's in black. Maybe black wouldn't work as well as, say, yellow. Alright. Now if you want to preview this, what it will look like on a player, we can hit the preview button. That'll show you the screen there and give you an index of the time frame. X will get us back out of that. When everything is put exactly where you want it, you can hit save. And we now have a new piece of creative that we can add to our playlists. Over here you'll see to close the editor so we can move back to our main screen. The next step is going to be our playlists. A playlist is going to be a grouping of those creatives. So right now I have a few different playlists, but let's add another one. Again, when you do add a playlist, make sure to name that. This one is going to be our attempt at signage, and a description we'll call it First Try. Now over here you'll see we have to add creatives, and again with this system everything is drag and drop, so we can just drag whatever creatives we'd like into our playlist. Now you will note that there is a calendar on each of the creatives we pull in. That calendar icon allows us to schedule the items. We can have them have an expiration date, we can have them recur every day, we can have them just happen every week on a Saturday. This works really good for having your marketing crew not have to do this real time. So they could stop in, do all of the creative needed for a month on one day, set up the timers, and it all happens especially when it's supposed to. Alright, once we've got everything we need, we can hit create. That'll store that playlist and again take us back to our three tabs here at the top. The final step, once we have our creatives put into a playlist, is to put those on our screen. You'll see here we have a screen already added, my primary unit. We will click on that and hit edit. That allows us to drag and drop a playlist. You'll see there are already a couple here. We can close those by just hitting the X. And it'll say add playlist to bring down what we want. We'll pull our First Try. And let's bring this as fun down as well. You will see that the playlists also give the option for scheduling. This doesn't schedule the independent creatives, but it schedules the entire playlist that contains those creatives. Once we've got those put together, we hit update, and that sends it out to the screen, ready to go. Now if you would like to see what's playing on your screen, in that same edit screen, we have the ability for a screen link. Click on that, and then click Let's Roll, and you can see the signage playing exactly as it would show on your player. This is what you're going to see throughout the property on your signage channel. Escape will get us out of that page, and then we can just close that window down to get us back to the page where we can do more creatives, more playlists, and apply those to our screens. I do hope that this tutorial has helped to get you started running with your new digital signage. Check back with us later. We will have some more advanced videos showing some of the other widgets and how those can be used as well. And again, thanks for choosing Lodgevision.